morning. Today we will learn about animals. But as you can see, teacher is here in our classroom and we still have the Christmas tree here because we're supposed to learn about Christmas, okay? But today we will learn about animals. Okay, so today we will learn about animals and I will also help you how to spell them one by one. And the first one is, what's this? What's this? It's a cow, right? This is a cow. So how do we spell cow? We spell it as, okay, we spell it as C-O-W. C-O-W. Cow. K-O. Cow. Okay? K-O. W is, the sound of W is wa. But we say it cow. Cow. Okay, good job. I have here another color of cow. I'll show you. Okay, I'll just put it here in front of me. So this is, what is this? It's a cow. C-O-W, cow. Okay, can you say that? Can you spell that again? C-O-W, cow. Good job. Okay, look at the screen. Okay, now we are talking about farm animals. Farm animals. What about this? Meh. What about this? This is goat. 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 Okay, can you say that? Goat. 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 G-O-A-T. Goat. Goat. Okay, very good. This is a mother goat. Meh. Okay, so this is goat. Goat. Let's spell it again. G-O-A-T. Goat. G-O-T. Goat. Good job. Okay, so we have goat. The next one. Oh, you like this very much. What is it? It's your favorite. What is it? It's chicken. Okay, not chicken, it's chicken. Chicken. Okay, how do we spell chicken? C. Say it with me. C. H. H. I. C. K. E. N. Chicken. Okay, chicken. Chicken. Okay, one more time. C. H. I. C. K. E. N. Chicken. Okay, good job. Okay, good job. You're doing a great job. The next one, we have cow, goat, chicken, and what is it? What is it? What is it? It's a sheep. 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 Okay, it's a sheep. S-H-E-E-P. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Sheep. Okay. Sheep. Can you spell that one more time? S-H sound is S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. What about this one? Quack, 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 quack. What is that? What is this? I think we have one like this, right? We have it here, but I can't find it. This is a. This is a. Huh? But this is a duck. This is a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Right? Do you remember the song about this duck? Quack, quack, quack. Okay. So this is duck. Duck. What is it? It's a duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Good job. Okay, one more time. One more time. Can you spell that without the picture? D-U-C-K. Duck. Okay. Good job. And now, let's see if you remember. What is it? 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 It's a sheep. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. Sheep. And what else I have here? What about this? Is it a farm animal? Is it a farm animal? Is it a farm animal? What is it? What is it? Nay, what is it? It's a horse. Say it. Horse. It's a horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horse. Good job. It's a horse. Okay? Can you say that one more time? H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horse. Good job. Okay, so that's what we have for our animals. Farm animals. Can you say that? Farm animals. Farm animals. Okay, good job. Okay, now it's your turn to spell all the farm animals. Look at the letters below. H-O-R-S-E. Did you spell that correctly? Good job. So we have horse. Next one. Look. How do you spell it? Good job. One more time. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Good job. Next one. We have... Okay, this is a bit long. So I'll give you more time. C. Okay, C spelled with letter C. One more time. Faster. Very good. Good job. Next one we have 4 letters. T. G-O-A-T. Goat. G-O-T. Goat. Good job. And the next one is 4 letters. D, 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 U, C, K. D, Duck. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Good job. Okay, and the last one we have only 3 letters. Who can spell it? Can you? What letter is that? C-O-W. C-O-W. Okay, it's cow. So now, today we learn about farm animals. The first one is cow, duck, duck, goat, chicken, sheep, horse, and sheep again. Great job. Okay.